Dr. Surendra Babu, Chief General Manager, NABARD,
Okay.
Karnataka head actually. So, purpose of my visit to this Davangere district was to see overall various initiatives taken by NABARD in the district, how they are actually happening. For example, it is a 2 days visit. Yesterday, that is on actually 2nd of April, we could see actually address the DCCB Davangere, how they are working. Then we could see the functioning of on PACS actually, how they are doing excellent job on PACS. And then we could see the functioning of on Grameen Bank, Karnataka Grameen Bank branch there, and their region of manager and all those people were there. Then after that actually we visited to one FPO actually, which is promoted by KSRDC, and then they are doing actually good job, but still there is scope for actually enlargement of their business. And today happened to be our day of actually, where we are able to see the actually how NABARD sanctioned tribal development project, wherein we are trying to support actually give the livelihood to the tribal families. Here 419 families actually have been selected by Sankalp NGO, and we are providing them support for actually this mango plantation along with the tamarind and the some places some citrus plantation. Besides that, today before reaching to this TDF project where I am standing here, we have inaugurated one MEDP project actually for the Lamani community. So that was some identified women actually, they will be trained for the Kasuti work actually, and we are trying to enhance their livelihood by means of increasing their income and linking their product to the market. So, and besides that, we will also be discussing with some of the prominent good working FPOs here and taking stock of the position and suggesting some action plan actually through my district development manager, Rasmi Rekha Madam. She is doing a wonderful job here in this district. Over the years, she has been here in Davangere district, whether it is credit planning or developmental role of NABARD or the various infrastructure project being implemented here in Karnataka, basically in Davangere district with support of NABARD. So overall actually it's a kind of credit review, kind of developmental project review, reaching out to the community and as also suggesting some action plan for the district. Our overall I think the objective for which I have come here to see the functioning, it has met the objective.